Yung pagkaalam ko kay Manong Dolphy, siya talaga ang kaisa-isang king of comedy. Siya yung nagsisilbing inspiration sa mga actors and actresses ngayon, and he's the legacy of all, of everybody in the entertainment business. You know, si Manong Dolphy, he's not only an actor, he's an all-around performer. Pwede siya kumanta, pwede siya sumayaw, and he can dance like Michael Jackson. He can dance just like big names in the industry around the world. You know, imagine that he is in the entertainment industry for 60 years, for 6 decades now. Parang, wala eh, bihira lang ang ganun, bihira lang ang may mahabang dekada sa industriya. You know, ang favorite thing ko kay Dolphy, hindi siya sumusuko. Sumikap siya. After I heard magsumikap ka, parang nasa isip ko na yung magsumikap ka. Nakakatulong lang yan na para umangat ka at magiging ka. No, although, don't be lazy. Talagang, ganun si Dolphy. Nagpatawa, nagpaiyak. Siyempre, nagpa-inspire ng maraming tao. He inspires many people. He inspires young people and inspires young people, older people, and everybody. Kahit ako, hindi ako masyadong nanonood ng Dolphy movies. Parang fan ako ng Dolphy after I heard his song. Matanda at lilipas din ako, ngunit mayroong awitin. Ang gano'n, na favorite song ko, yung kanta niya. His version is very good. Kahit yung Billie Jean ni Dolphy, parang hindi na to 80 years old eh. Hindi halatang matanda si Dolphy. He's very older in the outside, but he's younger in the inside. Ganun. It's very simple. He's not maarte. Hindi siya magalitin. Hindi siya nagyayabang. At higit sa lahat, madasalin si Dolphy. Parang inspired ako kay Dolphy. Kasi madasalin siya eh. Dapat ganun ng mga artista ngayon. Kahit artista pa sila, madasalin pa rin sila at mapagkumbaba. Like Dolphy. Si Dolphy nga eh, 80 years old niya eh. Pero naging humble pa rin, madasalin. He maintained his habit of praying and being in love with God. Hindi mo na siya na-inlove sa love life niya, sa crush niya. Hindi. Na-inlove mo na siya kay God. Kung ganon, yun ang pagkaalam ko kay Manong Dolphy. For Manong Dolphy, I'm your number 1 fan. Kahit hindi ko kayo nakikita sa personal, number 1 fan pa rin ako. I'm your number 1 fan namin. Manong Bidol. Ang tatay ko, naging fan na rin ni Manong Bidol. Ako, first of all, salamat. Maraming salamat po, Manong Dolphy, dahil inangat mo kami, pinatawa mo pa kami, in-entertain mo kami. Talagang, I'm happy for you, and I'm happy for all your 60 decades. I'm happy for your career. I'm happy that you did all for us to entertain, for us to be entertained, for us to be inspired. That's all I can say.